Threads might only be a few days old, but the new social media platform has some lesser known features you might need to know about. In this video, we will explore the hidden features of Threads on Instagram. Join me to unlock new possibilities that might improve your experience with Threads. Let's begin. Twitter rival Threads has rapidly set itself up as one of the most prominent social media platforms. At least that's what the number of users says. Instagram's CEO Adam Mosseri has revealed that Threads has garnered more than 100 million users within the first 5 days of its launch. It must be noted, this mark of user count was shared a few days back, which means the latest Threads user count must be much higher. If you are one of the Threads users, then you must have acquainted yourself with its features. However, being the new social media platform, there are some hidden features that you may have missed. Mosseri has shed light on the hidden gems of the Threads that you must know to enhance the overall experience of Threads. Have a look here. Number 1. Who can reply? If you don't want everyone to reply to your threads, then you have this crucial privacy feature. What you need to keep in mind is that before you post a new thread, you need to set who can reply to that specific thread. The 3 options are anyone, profiles you follow, mentioned only. Number 2. Threads shortcut. If you haven't tried this yet, then just tap return 3 times. Did you see it? Yes, this Threads shortcut can automatically start a new thread for you. Number 3. Quick follow trick. To avoid the extra steps in order to follow a new profile by heading out of feed, just tap the plus sign on a profile image and you'll start following them. Number 4. Don't like the content? Mute them. If you don't want to see content from an account again, just tap the 3 dots menu and tap mute. It is that simple. Number 5. Quick search. Do you know you can quickly search for an account just by long pressing the search icon? Apart from these, there are some similar features just like Instagram, including take a break to let you set reminders by going to profile, settings, account, take a break. Moreover, you can also share your threads on Instagram. To do so, just tap the share icon to share a thread to your feed or stories. Well, these were a few interesting hidden features of Threads that you should try to enhance your user experience. Threads have taken the social world by storm. While everyone has wanted a worthy Twitter alternative for quite some time now, there are a few options out there. It still remains to be seen if Threads can continue to grow at a sustained pace. Follow HT Tech for the latest tech news and reviews. Also keep up with us on Twitter, Facebook, Google News and Instagram. For our latest videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.